Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to do a little review. You remember back in the 80s when everybody had to fucking have one of these things? I know I did. It was baller to the max. I loved mine. So what this is a Snoopy Sno Cone Machine. As you can see, it's just like the old school one where you put the ice in the chimney thing and then you smash Snoopy down while doing the little drill thing. Like, you know, it'll turn my job, and then it shreds the ice into your little cone and makes a snow cone. Inside, allegedly, we have not opened it, so we don't know. Inside, allegedly, in the box, there's going to be the little house, the little snow shovel scoop thing, a couple cups, 3 cups, 1 drink mix, or like snow cone mix, and that's all you really need. And it says all you need, like at your house. You'll need some water, you'll need ice, and you'll need like either a sweetener of some kind. I'm going to use Splenda because, you know, sugar makes me a fatty cakes, and nobody likes the fatty cakes, so I'm going to use some Splenda. So this is what it looks like in the front. It's not by anybody cool like Blammo or anything. It's by some bullshit called Crazy Art, which is cool, but that's all right. The back looks like this. Yay. Okay, yeah, just giving you more description of what's inside the box and whatnot. The only difference that I can aesthetically see that the machine is different than the original is that this one actually clamps to your countertop, so that way it doesn't like slide or get all crazy. I remember back in the day that shit didn't happen, and it would literally like just go wherever. When you tried to do your little crank and chop up your ice, it was like it'd fuck up majorly all the time.
Busted knuckles.
Yeah, like it was bad. It was like shit went everywhere. And inside, I remember like the metal of the like grinder being so hardcore. So I wonder, I can't wait to see if this metal is as gnarly, because it literally looked like a cheese grater on the inside, and you fuck your hands all up as a little kid. Okay, so we are opening the box. Alright, it is taped closed. I am now untaping this bad boy. I love that it says new design on the box. Ain't shit new about this design.
The clamp.
Oh, the clamp. Oh, my bad.
The clamp.
The clamp. Clamp or no clamping. Okay, box is empty. Oh, there's the clamp. Oh, okay. And the little house. Oh, it's the same. Oh man, I gotta show you guys. It's gonna take you down memory lane. Are you even kidding me? It's still the same. Oh, how do I get it out? Do I do it this way? How do I get it out? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe you unscrew it.
Maybe.
Maybe you read the directions.
You can read the directions.
That's not something I do very often. I know if you've Oh, look who figured it out without the fucking instructions.
Or aren't you fucking some brilliant
I
ass?
am. So here's a little hizzy like it is, and here's that thing I was telling y'all about. Oh my god, it's so hardcore. So when you were a little kid, this was literally like the death of 1,000 people. This was like hardcore. Look at this thing. Look at this fucking thing. This thing is no joke. This thing is savage. For a little bitty kid, I remember being 6 and being like, Mommy, I'm gonna go make snow cones, and then like reaching my hand in there and feeling this and being like, holy shit, I just messed my arm all up. Okay, so I'm gonna stick that back in there. I'm gonna stick the little top back on. Okay. And so we've got the little snow cone house. Here's a little shovel scooper, my job, that takes out the snow cone material, which will be your ice. Here's your little clamp, like, you know, to keep your house attached. And so you see the back, it slides on. This guy slides on right here on the bottom, so you can see how that works. And here's your little jar of snow cone juice, and it's cute because little snowman with Woodstock on it. Oh, how cute. Okay. And here's your little crank. That's cool. All right. I don't remember where I put this.
Is that the same kind of crank that truckers
yes.
use?
No, this is a very different kind of crank. Thank God. up it goes. Oh, you gotta do this number.
Dude, I don't know. This powder, this flavoring,
What about it?
a little sketch.
What's sketch about it?
Feel it.
What the fuck is that? Oh my god, that feels like...
Gummy bears.
No, this feels like laundry lint. Like,
Yeah.
this like chunks of laundry lint. What? Okay, it says, written on the packaging here, it says Snoopy Sno Cone Machine, fruit punch flavored soft drink mix, artificially flavored, made in the USA. Does this shit have a fucking expiration date on
I
it?
don't see one. I was looking for one.
There's no expiration date on it, so YOLO, you only live once.
It's gonna either taste really good
Or
Or
we'll
really
die.
shitty.
Or we'll die. So we're gonna figure it out, aren't we?
Yeah, if
So
we have-
first of all,
puke all of this paper, we'll know.
now,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
whoa,
You're
what?
fucking the system here.
Hey
You're
yo,
supposed
hey
to-
yo.
you're supposed to put the anti-skid pads.
Oh, am I? Okay, let's do that. These are our little pads for the clamp or no clamp in here. So we're gonna put our feet on. How many are there? There's 6.
5.
Okay, one goes in the middle. And we're putting them near the clamp, you know, because what's the point of putting them not near the clamp? Because that's where the pressure's gonna be. I just said not to do that. Okay. So, now that we've officially padded up correctly, let's look and see.
Fit the small
The
end.
shaver handle goes on the inside of the house, not the outside of the house. So, it goes right here. So let's see, how do we attach the shaver hand? Let's see, we've got some notches. Do we have any more hardware or
Let's
not?
go through the front. Like this
There we
end.
go. That's how it goes. Look at that. Easy as pie. Now this guy goes in here.
See?
This guy goes in here.
See?
And then we get our turny guy. Oh, no.
It
that's
goes
not
in the
how
back.
it- Huh?
The turning guy goes.
Oh, yeah, because the snow cone's going to come out. Duh. I'm blonde, guys. I know you can't see in this video, but I'm blonde as shit, so I have excuses. Okay, so it goes in these little guys and it just turns on. Okay, so, and as you can see, I almost cut my finger off just then. That's how easy it is, folks. That's how easy it is. Use with caution. Okay, so now that your little crank is on, let's take out the rest of our stuff. So this is our like little Snoopy that goes into the top of the chimney to add pressure to our ice. Yeah, all right, awesome. And we've got 3 of the tiniest little snow cone cups you've ever seen that are adorable. Super cute. Put those right here. Sure, why not? And then we got our mix. Okay, so our next step is going to grab the ice and making some snow cones. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in fast forward mode and make some snow cones. So see you when we get back. Okay, so as Josh gets the ice together, I'm going to mix up our flavoring concoction. So what we need to do, and hey Josh, bring 3 Splendas.
Alright.
What we're gonna need to do is, here's the flavoring pouch. I've gone ahead and cut it open and put a spoon in. Here's the little flavoring bottle, and it says to mix 1/8 of the package with 1 cup of water. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and guesstimate and say 1/8 of the package is 1 spoonful. So it looks pretty potent. So here we go. Here's 1 spoonful. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it is pungent. She's got some smell to her. So let's put it on in. Okay, ooh, oh, okay. It's very, very red. Very red. So I'm just gonna stir until it's completely dissolved. It isn't dissolving fast. It's a little chonky girl. So we're gonna try to grind some of these chunks down. That was what we were feeling in the bag, in like the packet, was how like dense it was. It wasn't powdery.
It was
yeah. It's super clumpy, so it wasn't powdery at all. So when we opened it, it was like these weird chunks of this very strong smelling substance. So I'm trying to dilute it now. It doesn't dilute easily, which is scary. That's a kind of a red flag there.
I mean, I don't know, maybe it would have worked better if you used like hot water or warm water.
Yeah, well, it didn't specify. I read it.
But I didn't want it to be like so hot that would.
Right, it didn't specify like that you need to warm up the water and then chill it or anything. So let's see what this is going on. Okay. All right. Well, it's not all the way dissolved, so we're all just gonna have to build a cute little bridge on that.
It's not gonna go through the little hole again.
Right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour a little bit of this from this in there.
Can you put sugar?
Oh, good call. Yes, I do need to sweeten it up. Now, it does not come sweetened, so if you want to sweeten it, you've got to either put in a sweetener of your choice or throw in some sugar in there to sweeten it up. So I'm just putting what I would normally put in one coffee. Like, I'm not going crazy. Let's stir that up.
So do we need to throw a disclaimer in how we probably had this thing for like 8 months?
No. We don't, because, honey, shelf life happens. If, in fact, I didn't buy this or nobody else bought this, God knows how long this would have sat. I manage a large box retail store that will go unnamed, but I know for a fact we've kept things on shelves for much longer than that. So those things get sold. So I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to have any sort of quote-unquote shelf life, or it would have had an expiration date. So. Alright, so now we're going to take our freshly mixed concoction and pour it in our tiny snowman Woodstock squirting container.
Squirting.
Oh, now this isn't the best spout, so it's probably going to go everywhere. Oh no, I'm pretty good. Okay, rock on. Got some chunks flowing in here. Okay, so putting the excess off to the side. Now I'm attaching this little squirter cap. Now the squirter cap doesn't screw off. It was kind of a little difficult for us to figure that out. It doesn't say. You just pull it off. So I'm just gonna pop it back on. Ooh, I'm gonna try to. It's just a little difficult. Okay, got her on. So now you have your freshly mixed little guy here. Okay, so now time to do the deed. It is totally fastened to the table. We've got her viced up. This is like a little tiny plastic vice.
She clamped.
She clamped real good. And here's our little shovel. And now we are going to put the ice in the chimney stack and let it do its jam. Oh, it won't come out. That's what the little shovel's for. Anytime I remember my memories of this is it just stayed in there and I had to like do this. So I don't know.
Well, I never had one when I was a kid.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're poor. But yeah, this was really rad in the day. I'm just gonna be real. So you just fill this bad boy up, just like old school style. Then you put pressure with your Snoopy, and you let her rip. And if you want teamwork to make the dream work and help me shovel it out,
You get some more.
Oh, I'm putting more ice in. I was done, so now I gotta get more ice. So it looks to me that you may need to fill it at least, like you fill your chimney here, at least twice to get a full cup of shavings. So, pouring, okay. She ain't easy. I'm gonna tell you that right now. She takes a little bit of the strong arm.
Oh, she did it. That's a nice big chunk.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Pat that down. Pack her good. All right. That's looking good. Okay, there's one Snoopy Sno Cone right there. Okay, do we want to keep going, or is that good enough?
I just go with that because you don't want that.
All right, round 2. We're making the second one.
Yeah, roll it together.
Filling with the second batch. It looks to be pretty full, so I'm only going to put a couple cubes in. 2 to be exact, 2 cubes. Whew, I'm getting a workout. I think I've burned some calories, Woo! All right, is that good enough for the second one?
Probably so.
Okay, now move that forward. Okay, now we're going to...
Oh,
smooth move. Okay, don't worry, we cleaned the table, so it's clean. Okay, so we're gonna juice her up.
Juice her up.
I'm gonna... Mind you, there's a little spout, so don't be shaking it without putting your finger over it. Alright. It's giving a light red fruit punch vibe. I really don't know how crazy I should go. So I'm just gonna fill her up. Alright, and cheers. Doink! And it tastes pretty shitty.
Well, to be fair, it doesn't really taste like anything yet. I mean, most of the flavor sank down into the ice. So right now it's just like a hint of tropical fruit.
I will say the shavings are a great size. They're not too big. They're not too small.
It's like a LaCroix.
Oh God, don't say that. That's horrible. I think it's better than LaCroix. I think toilet turds are better than LaCroix.
It's actually not too bad.
It ain't too bad. I mean, it's not bowling me over with amazingness. I think as a kid, if I was 5, this would have been the fucking tits. Because it was the tits when I was 5. So hit me with another shot. Okay. These little cups are so cute. Okay, so is the Snoopy Playhouse, Snow Cone Maker, Piper Dandy approved? Yes it is. And we'll see you next time on Piper Dandy Tutorials. Peace out. Cheers.